By now you already know the most common type of backlight failure produces total darkness. While repairing these types of televisions, I usually recommend changing the whole set of backlights. But sometimes this is not feasible due to a number of reasons. The required spare part might not be available because there is no stock, and in a worst case scenario, the spare part may be discontinued. It is because of these two reasons that I am making this video. Hello, my name is Dominic and this is episode 6 of the Backlight Repair Process playlist. In this video, I will show you the different methods of testing LED backlights. This video tutorial is for certified and trained technicians only. Kindly read my disclaimer in the video description below. The first method will utilize the bench power supply. If you do not have this gadget, then do not worry. There are two other methods that I will talk about shortly. This is a 39-inch LG TV and this is the power supply. The backlight array is connected here and the main board connected to the other port. Now let me zoom into the information printed here. This power supply can be used by 3 different TV sizes, a 37, 39 and 42-inch TV. In my case, I will use the voltage corresponding to the 39-inch size, which is 133.2 volts. The second thing will be to count the number of individual LED lights. In my case, there are 45 individual lights. Dividing 133.2 by 45 will give you 2.96 volts or around 3 volts. This is the voltage required to light one LED. Now, there are 9 lights per strip and multiplying 3 by 9 gives us 27 volts. The power supply is set to 27 volts to test each strip. This will make this process faster. Now, taking care not to reverse the polarity, the first strip is fine. What about the second strip? The second strip is also fine. The third strip is also fine. There seems to be a problem with the fourth strip, so let us mark it and we'll return it to it later. The fifth strip is fine. And the last one, the last strip is also fine. The voltage is now reduced to test the individual portions of the fourth faulty strip. First of all, let us start with the left side of the strip and we are going to apply the voltage directly at the joint. The left side of the fourth strip is not working. So what we are going to do is that we are going to introduce a short circuit at the joint so that we can test the right side. And the right side is working fine. So the problem is with the left side of the strip. Reducing the voltage to 3 volts will now enable us to test individual LED lights. This light is not working. In fact, it is the only one not working. This single LED made the whole TV unusable. In video episode number 7, you will get a glimpse of how this single LED is fixed. The second method of testing LED lights is by using this gadget. There are different brands and models of this tester on AliExpress. From this merchant's video, you can see that this model, the DLV300, is an automatic tester. All you need to do is to touch the probes to the LEDs. The voltage and current is automatically adjusted depending on the number of LEDs that are connected together. This is the simplest method that I have come across, and I will buy this gadget later on in the year and review it. From the images, I can see that the maximum voltage this gadget can produce is 300 volts. Perfect for many TV sizes as well as brands. The last method relies on using the digital multimeter. Since LEDs are just diodes, the diode test mode is used for this purpose. Simply touch the multimeter leads across the LED, and if it lights, then it's okay. If it doesn't light, then it's faulty. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.